Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Today, we're showing you how to sync your Android phone with your Outlook calendar, making sure your schedule is always up to date. The simplest and most recommended way is to use the official Microsoft Outlook app. Go to the Google Play Store on your Android device and search for Microsoft Outlook. Download and install the app. Once it's installed, open it and sign in using your Outlook email address and password. The app will then automatically pull in all your emails, contacts, and, most importantly, your calendar events. You can view and manage your entire Outlook schedule directly within this single app, keeping everything organized in one convenient place. Alternatively, you can integrate your Outlook account directly into your Android system for native integration. Open your phone's Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Accounts or Passwords and Accounts, then select Add Account. Choose the Exchange or Outlook.com option from the list. Enter your Outlook email address and password when prompted to complete the setup. After the account is added, make sure to go back into its settings and verify that Calendar Sync is enabled. This method allows your Outlook calendar events to appear within your Android's default calendar application, blending seamlessly with your other events. If you find your events aren't syncing, always double-check both the Outlook app's internal settings and your Android's account settings to ensure synchronization is active. This ensures your calendar stays perfectly aligned across all your devices, keeping you informed.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.